Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a location in Mobile Legends. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open your Mobile Legends application first and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now if you tap on your profile avatar at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile picture along with your location that you've set for the game. If you want to change that to something else, then you'll need to first go ahead and open your Play Store. Go ahead and open up your Play Store and download the Fake GPS application. Type in Fake GPS in the search box and download and install the application for your Android. Once you're done, open up the Fake GPS location app and then open up settings on your Android device and enable the developer mode. Go and tap open settings from your Android device. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on about phone at the bottom. Now tap on the software information button. On the next page, tap on build number. If you keep on tapping the build number option, you'll be able to see your developer mode turn on. You'll need to enter your current PIN for your mobile device and your developer mode has been enabled. Now launch open Fake GPS app and tap on open settings. Now tap on select mock location app and select Fake GPS. Once you are done, you'll be able to see this page where you can easily drag and locate the area or the country you'd like to change your Mobile Legends location to. Simply go ahead and drag to the desired position and then tap the play button at the bottom right. Once you are done connecting, open up your Mobile Legends app and you'll be able to change your location in Mobile Legends. You'll need to wait for your new location and then click OK when it changes. But remember that if you've used your chance to change your location for the week, you'll need to wait for another week in order to do so. But that is the process how you'll be able to change your location in Mobile Legends. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.